What's going on, guys? It's Elias. Welcome back to another video. It's a beautiful day here in Pennsylvania, the first of what I hope is many beautiful days in Pennsylvania, because we had a very rough winter this past winter, and I have not turned on my Civic Type R in quite a while, and I think it's time for us to get back to doing some hood rat shit with our Type R. So let's go ahead and get her started. We're going to do all the checkups, all the things that I normally do, and I'll show you guys what to do to start up your Civic Type R if you haven't started in a while. Let's go see how she sounds. So there she is. We have a lot of projects lined up for her. A lot of projects. I'm talking suspension, more power. We got to paint the roll cage. We got to do some other aesthetics things to it. So can't wait to get this project off the road. We have about a month before we get to go on track again. It's going to be a very busy year for us on track this year. We have a lot of things and a lot of races to be at with this thing. I'm also going to be building out this one, and we're going to be having some fun with this one, and then I got to finish building out my S2000 as well. All right, let's go ahead and open up the hood and check the oil and other fluids before we start her up. All right, I gotta paint the cage. No worries. There she is. Any animals living in here? That does happen over here. I need to get this thing in a shop. Once I build my shop up, I'll put a cat or two in there. We'll protect against any mice or other animals. But all right, everything looks good. Let's go ahead and do the checks. Let's go ahead and check the oil first. It was changed right before we did the race in NCM, the SCCA time trial. And I haven't driven it at all since, so the oil should be fine. Oh yeah, I have extra oil, which is the level's gonna go down as soon as I turn the car on, because all the oil is currently sitting at the bottom of the sump. Very normal. All right, we are checking the fluid here. We are at the full mark. We're actually above a little bit. No, that's the min mark. So we got the minimum and maximum marks down here. I'm actually at the max mark, which is good. So I have radiator fluid, I have oil, my brake reservoir looks pretty good. So we got brake fluid, so no leaks there. I do have to bleed the brakes. Actually the brakes were fine. I have to bleed the brakes in this thing, so that's what I'm confusing. I'm good with the brakes. I'm going to hook up my battery, so let's go ahead and do that. So this is my JNC 660, my jump and carry. I use it for everything. That's the positive and that's the negative. All right. Positive first. And then now the battery should be good. The car only has 11,000 miles on it, so the battery is going to be okay, but I like to do this if I haven't turned the car on in a long time. The batteries do get drained, so this puts less strain on the battery. gotta say, it's always a good feeling when I bring the Type R out, finally. So now we can go ahead and get started on this year's projects. If you want to see more of these projects and what else I'm going to do, and basically me having fun with my Type R, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit that like, let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see from me and my Type R. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.